Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan, and this is your JIS News for Monday, June 16, 2025. Jamaica's murder rate continues to decline, with the Prime Minister announcing a 44.3% reduction from January 1 to June 13. This comes just 2 weeks after the Security Minister reported the lowest reduction in the country's homicide rate since 1991 at 43.3% at that time. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness gave the updated numbers during a function on Friday as he highlighted that the island had been seeing a steady decline for the last 3 years. He said this could, in large part, be attributed to the over $90 billion his administration had spent on crime-fighting efforts. For those who insist on committing crime and violence, he had this to say.
Those young men who feel that they can take up a gun and go and commit a crime and we don't know, we will find you. The government will eliminate and eradicate every single gang in Jamaica. Let me be clear. Every contract killer, we will find you. Everyone who is importing guns into Jamaica, we will find you.
Construction is set to begin this week on a new multifamily residence in West Central St. Andrew, which will provide housing for approximately 13 residents by December 2025. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness led the contract signing and groundbreaking for the Village at Tower Hill housing development. The project is being done under the third modality of the new social housing program, NSHP, which involves the upgrading of tenements or multifamily housing. The approximately $49 million project will have 6 units, 1 3-bedroom, 3 2-bedroom, and 2 1-bedroom space. Prime Minister Holness says the model is ready for duplication.
We have now refined the process, and my objective is to redevelop every single big yard and tenement yard in this area, and indeed to take this project right across Jamaica. We now have the capability and we now understand how to do it, and we can do it with greater pace.
Meanwhile, fire victim Patrick Sawyers is the latest recipient of a housing unit courtesy of the new social housing program. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who delivered the unit on Friday, had this to say for those people looking on in earnest for their turn.
Keep faith. There is a program in place. The program is robust. The program is integrous. The program is one that is designed to ensure that we meet your needs without any form of accusation of corruption or inefficiency. And so far, this program has worked excellently. All the beneficiaries are very happy. They have a benefit that is intergenerational and that will end poverty in their lives.
To date, 292 units have been delivered to beneficiaries. 46 are still under construction, but Mr. Holness has given assurance that those will be completed within 3 months. He says another 65 units are at varying stages of design, procurement, or contracting. The government's New Limb, New Life program, which provides prostheses for persons aged 13 to 60 years, continues to positively impact the lives of Jamaicans who have lost limbs due to accidents or disease. Recently, 51-year-old mother Dalverine Bruce Pierce was fitted with a prosthetic leg by technicians from Surgics Jamaica Limited. Mrs. Bruce Pierce lost her left leg due to injuries sustained in a motor vehicle crash in February of last year.
It means a lot to me. Instead of go forward, I go backward, but now, it's not too bad. Because I get backward now, so no, we can go forward now.
Acknowledging that there were other Jamaicans who would love to benefit from the program, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness said the government was considering its expansion.
It is something that we're looking at as our economy continues to improve. We will, allocate resources to assist.
And finally, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, is expanding its Transformation Expo to the West for its second staging. The second biennial Transformations, People, Quality and Technology Expo 2.0 is set for June 19 to 22 at the National Arena in Kingston and the Montego Bay Community College in St. James.
Most persons in the West complained about not having access to the expo. So with that, St. James was seen as the new kid on the block for the expo this year. And we could not have imagined that the force could stand shoulder to shoulder based on the last expo with all the advanced police forces around the world based on the technology. And we wanted to ensure that this is brought to Western Jamaica.
Speaking at a recent JIS think tank, members of the force explained that the expo in both locations would show how members of the JCF were embracing modern systems and technology, reinforcing their commitment to a more efficient, responsive, and people-focused police force.
The execution of the JCF Exposition 2.0 is really a demonstration of the force's commitment to our duty of care for the people of Jamaica. Technology keeps evolving, and given the pace at which technology evolves and how it impacts the organization, we believe that it is our responsibility to come back again in 2025 to share with our citizens, our people that we serve, where we are, and to continue to join us on the journey of our transformation.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.